Agitation against CAP 2019 continues unabated. Volunteers of student bodies burn effigies of Prime Minister, Union Home Minister and Chief Minister. State Government Chief Whip P. Sarachandra asserts 60 state MLAs will never stand against public interest regarding CAP 2019. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren says unwanted criticism by uninformed people render hindrances in taking up welfare projects. Says government will not pay heed anymore. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches DD Arun Prabha channel in Itanagar, blames previous governments of ignoring basic infrastructure for Arunachal Pradesh. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Agitation against CAP 2019 continued unabated in the state. Mairapaibi associations and various other organizations carried out widespread agitation against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 across Imphal City today. All Manipur Arts and Culture Students Union AMCSU staged a sit-in against the bill at Palace Compound. The CAP protesters warned of intense agitations along with other organizations in the state if the bill is ever enacted into an act. Teachers and students of Saina Institute of Medical Sciences, SIMS, also staged a sit-down demanding not to pass CAP 2019 in Rajya Sabha. Speaking in the event, SIMS Deputy Director Administration S.K. Wajid Shah expressed apprehension over a possible influx of migrants from Bangladesh, Afghanistan and Pakistan, diluting the indigenous inhabitants of Manipur if the bill ever becomes an act. Nongmaibung Mairapaibi Porompat Chuteg Unit 3 also staged a sit-in denouncing the bill by blocking half of Porompat Road. Commuters faced immense inconveniences due to the road blockage. Personnel of Porompat Police Station urged the protesting women folks to stop their protests. However, they remained adamant and continued their protest.
Masi ek olakpo thoklagadi notice se rakangkhul mut khibai phibam da leibana bill asi ek onbi gano lebak myam gi kholao sigi mayukta leiraga ek onbi ba taragadi maduda chapchana all Manipur Art and Culture Student Union nasu Manipur leiriba artist byang ko samnaraga chapchaba thotang madugi mayukta laurakani
hauze hauze ekoi sangsil tringai manung sidasu ekoi mitop mian chasing se ekoi lakh taruk ki missing hen leiraba indigenous people gi missing dagi hen leiraba adudagi su amukam mioi lakh manga tang tara tang changchila agadi yelhomi se mang khitabagi masak am oibana maram oirga Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 session be aroi.
Women protesters at Kakwa, Namairakpam Lekai shouted at Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren not to pass Citizenship Amendment Bill today. The Chief Minister and his convoy were on their way after attending a program at Yanglam. Widespread protests at various places including Traffic Island of Kwakaitel Bazar, Khurai, Puthiba, Nandaibam Lekai, Nauremthong, Sengmai Bazar, Ningthong Kong, Tera Kaitel, Wangwai Lakshmi Kaitel and at Manipur College Gate, Singjame were carried out. Volunteers of AMSU, MSF, Desam, KSA, SUK and AIMS burnt effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh and Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren. Khongman Zone 5 and Khangempali Huidrom Lekai Youth and Social Club and local Mairapaibis jointly staged sit-in against the bill. Ningthemcha Karong Nupi Yaifa Lamjing Lub also carried out roadblock protests condemning the bill. Sit-ins against the contentious bill were held in over 10 different places from Kakwa to Haingang Market of Kanchipur, including Thongju, Boroi Makhong, Pechu, Lampak, Community Hall, Kanchipur First Gate, Kanchipur Supermarket today. Joint Forum of 16 Clubs of Thongju, Part 1 and Part 2 organized the protest meets under the banner No to CAP, Yes to Survival of Northeast. Protesters at Kakwa, Namairakpam Lekai blocked Bini Leirak. Women vendors of Kweramban Market have ceased work and launched indefinite road block protest in condemnation of CAP 2019 today. Taking part in the protest, convener of Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, Yumnamcha Dilip asserted that repeated discourse on the bill by experts pointed out that the bill has no benefit for Manipur but only harms. Speaking to Impact News, Dilip condemned Chief Minister Nongthongpa Biren for reiterating to discourse on the bill despite MANPAC holding various public conventions to discourse on the bill. He urged the government not to deploy police to suppress the ongoing agitations against the bill. He reiterated that their agitation will continue until and unless the bill is completely withdrawn.
Laipasigi Mapi Mapa, Chief Minister na high river Shebi 2016 se pera wise the Nainaraka Mamutana Naminasen Hanjan Nanjana Haibase Masi Yam na Wakal Tatabo Mali Aikoi Miam di Aikoigi Ahi Singa Kang Ahi Punamakta Narakanda People Convention Kayarak Hanasilaba Matunda Maduda Chaba Parado Faradana High river Shebi 2016 Nasina Manipur Akai Piba Natana Masik merit Amatalati have said Chana Kangakan Sangsal Abani. State government security forces by Amamasi Narakanda military power na high river Miamgi Hosam Namtagani Hibawakal City Yamna Labak Tivani.
Women vendors of 4 Koramban markets have resolved to stay overnight in the markets, condemning the bill till February 12. The women protesters today burnt effigies of Prime Minister and Chief Minister and staged road block protests against the bill. Police fired smoke bombs to scatter the protesters. Students of Manipur College also burned the effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister N. Biren at College Gate. Residents of Chingmairong, Maning Lekai and Sangakpham block half of the National Highway 2 and staged a sit-in. Commuters face immense inconveniences due to the road blockage. Personnel of Imphal West Police Station led by SP Imphal West tried to scatter the protesters. In yet another agitation against CAB at Chingmairong, intense scuffles occurred between police and protesters. Police fired smoke bombs to scatter the protesters. Nagamapal Street Vendors Welfare Union also ceased daily business activities and staged sit-down against CAP 2019 at Nagamapal since 9 this morning. Protesters demanded government to act in accordance with public interest. Members of AMSU, MSF, Desam, KSA, SUK and AIMS protested the bill under the banner of MANPAC at Yaripok Bazaar, BYCY and Yaripok Bamolekai today. Volunteers of the student bodies along with market vendors shut down Yaripok Market. The protesters burnt effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh, chanting various slogans like CA bill cannot be passed, down BJP government, resign Chief Minister, etc. Protest meets against the bill were also staged at Hautal, Khurai Lamlong, Khongba Nandaibam, Lekai Sangafam, Tayel, Khongbal, Thongju, Chingong, Lei, Makhong and Yumnam Kunau today. Students of MA Global Academy, Thobal Hauka also took out a protest rally against CAP 2019 on National Highway 102 today. Protesting students used various placards that read, "Repeal Citizenship Amendment Bill," "Students are against the bill," "CAP should not be passed in Rajya Sabha," etc. during the protest. MLA Moirang Kam, Chief Whip of the state government and advisor to Chief Minister Nongthongpa Biren, P. Sarachandra, asserted that representatives of 60 state assembly constituencies will never stand against the interests of the people of the state regarding CAP 2019. He reiterated that the decision taken by Chief Minister of the state and other leaders of Northeast states will never be against public interest. Sarachandra also said CAP 2019 intends to permit citizenship to migrants who have completed 6 years of Indian residency as of December 2014. He was speaking at the sidelines of a flagging off ceremony for 50 construction-trained youths for job placements at various places outside the state today. Bubon Technical and Skill Development BTSD Private Limited of Lamdeng Khunau in Lamshang constituency of Imphal West 1 provided construction training to the youth and also provided job placements. The MLA stressed the need for skill development to survive globalization.
INC pass tokroba matung da rule frame togani rule du da muk hairakani madudi mafamaru da leriba district administration gi DC oisnu SP oisnu natraga any assign toba authority aduna makhoise pajana verify tawre kanda government report pikalaba tung state government na mosu sumabra lalabra haibani singba mayam se madugi report se pirakanda adugi report to the tog sebani but in the context of the notice hojik leriba mayam gi sentiment mayam gi emotions mayam na pamba pamda tawriba mayam se koina respect to ta chief minister na Fazana high se Prajana Pamdrabadi, Paba, Masung Patava, Hava Portsigi, Pudamak na Tairam Leakanda, Prazagia Pamruto Batabani.
Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of Bubon Technical and Skill Development BTSD Private Limited and Nabachandra stated that such skill training programs were carried out, acknowledging the fact that provision for government job to everyone is not possible. The chairman said around 600 youths from both hills and valley regions of the state were provided trainings in various fields, out of which around 300 youths were already provided with job placement so far.
Manipur Natana, India, Mapum Punamak, government at the Tauki I see Mayam Puna, Loina Kangar Bangatani. How you say when a Tajaga placement, I get institute is the component, the Lapatagi, near about 600, I get training Loigre, near about 300 Kimatata of placement period. I do Parlamo and I say, and I quite target see, I could me young placement pigany. Me singsi, economy south Henba, I could give one technical pandamdi, I could economic south Henbase, I could allow one Yaro, practically Makoy, Tambi.
Chief Minister Nongthong Biren said unwanted criticism by uninformed people rendered hindrance to various development works in the state. He maintained that government will no longer pay heed to such criticism in taking up any new welfare projects. The Chief Minister was speaking in the inaugural of Lamjau Upper Primary School, Lamjau Makhalekai, and the foundation laying ceremony of Ima Market at Hyanglam, Wabagai Lamkai in Kakching district today. The Chief Minister mentioned that license for liquor production for exports and plans to extract petroleum products available in the state to benefit people of the state are still pending due to unwanted hindrances. He asserted that Manipur has witnessed great developmental changes with the advent of BJP-led government. He said government has ensured various welfare benefits to poor and destitute. Biren assured to complete construction of Lamkai market in 6 months. He further assured of revamping Phumlen and Khoidum lakes in Hyanglam constituency in near future.
Income Langanaba, Kitan Paganaba, Honazi Harazu, Pating the thingy, Lady Burr, Akoigi, traditionally Mamangagi, you Sungana cotton Tower Lakose. Pazana systematically, Manipur the Tatanaba Masima Panda Tadon of Sunga CMC. Madam the Manipur the Masigi, the Gitador Mayams and Takumatam, the market canoe, the business type, the Gansan Yanjalaga was the Nupang, low in a Toratuna Shiri. Honorable Prime Minister Handaki budget, India the Lady Lomi Mayam, Masagi Mingda, Hector Ani the Gitar labor. Long ising Sahimada, Lupalising Taruk, free the Magi account, Sangadaba, Aduna, Ahan Bagi account, Lissing Ani Zantaki, February Tha, she the Sangba Hudaba, Madugi survey, Kanatori, Lomi, Silly Nausing, Madugi, Igi Minda, Hector, and in the guitar, and Lam Leradi, Madu apply to view.
Attending the event, CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham warned of cancelling out unfair availing of gas connection under Pradhan Mantri Ujwala scheme at the earliest. Speaking in the event, Mahut Minister T.H. Shyamkumar assured that Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 will not harm Manipur in any manner. He blamed Congress Party for the current upheavals in the state over the bill. Shyamkumar urged people of the state to escape from the trap of Congress and look forward to development.
Lagi mi amje Congress lang mani ke bill do aduna ko Manipur da pass of ke to Manipur asok amat laite munna padan dais to biyo munna pa biyo aduna ke chise meme bill na Manipur sok da am hulaite aduna imasi appeal to ke bill jina Manipur head ke bill pass of ka tawre khalaji tawra ka da Manipur da Imphal manung da khangde ando da khangde hyang ma khangde that mayang ka head lak mayang ka to na kai da ko ana phasi to ka swai ko da halo ya ne ba.
Chief Minister Nongthong Biren encouraged youths of the state to take up enterprises and not to merely depend on government jobs. He assured of offering all possible assistance for their enterprises. The Chief Minister was speaking in the inaugural of an emergency trauma care unit, 3 ALS ambulance and auditorium of Jivan Hospital in Kakching Lamkai today. He said hard work and dedication are essential ingredients for success in life. He urged everyone to utilize their talents and inculcate work culture so that Manipur will not be left behind in the world. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Kakching Y. Surchandra drew the attention of the Chief Minister to renovate Second World War airfield in Kakching Lamkai so that it can be utilized in times of emergencies.
Mohi ki kampu na hai ba, Maithei ki kampu sina kari gumba, isalo trachana kagadi, Delhi ki main officer kano boss mein ato moi loi pai kare hai. Ato karan to ba kidnapping, adega tu ada, selambi ke semai jina alega, asai degi amali thorak ni hai ki hin logu mataw ba, hai phabi logu mataw ba, sugum ba se, phabi na logu ba elements do, moi ke against akoi voice spiritual le akoi noi dono, akoi mang da sakke. Sahi Hundra India ki independence ko smile ko mate ate desh ke kai yo magre ko sman se ke hai report voice ma.
Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham has called upon everyone to keep both mind and body healthy. He said that positive attitude will bring peace and development in society. Radhesham was speaking at the felicitation ceremony for students who successfully completed mid-brain activation program of Genius Mind Tech Imphal at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace Compound today. The Education Minister lauded Genius Mind Tech for organizing mid-brain activation program to enhance mental capacity of children. Minister Radhesham also launched a website of Genius Mind Tech Imphal and Dermatoglyphic Multi-Intelligence Test DMIT on the occasion. Talent shows presented by students of Genius Mind Tech highlighted the event.
Punsida akwai ni school da tamak thengara tawa para kya mama akwai na peroda punsida thengara kane adu best teacher hajar udai hajar hoge oja sing jam pai mai pas jam pai faidi amuke an important no faidi maru oi ba oja ni kana rai kana experience angang ni faidi maru oi ba matam sidi faidi ahan ba learning yana me school si kada family ne ahan me school si imung manung ne imung manung da tinio naina chumna tawira ba adu anything to learn Quite maru is a relationship name, money name, Aduna, Mama Pass ne Yaring, Angang Siam, Aduna Loina Viva, Aduka Mayam, then Hyzenic Mamma, Fellow Yoga passed opposite the table. Ravan Puatorate, Fellow if I say, passed of his Rukabane.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam in a press release stated that the ongoing agitation by SSA and Ramsa teachers against the government is reasonable. Desam urged the government to fulfill demands of the teachers without further delay. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the launching of DD Arun Prabhat channel in Itanagar today by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that basic infrastructure has been a long-standing demand of Arunachal Pradesh, which was ignored by the previous governments. He said his government has made sure that there is never a dearth of funds and determination for development. He was addressing the gathering after laying the foundation stones and inaugurating various development projects at Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh today. Earlier today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the DD Arun Prabhat channel in Itanagar. It will be a 24/7 satellite television channel and is Doordarshan's second channel for the northeastern region after DD Northeast. The Prime Minister also laid the foundation stone of a permanent campus of Film and Television Institute of India FTII at Arunachal Pradesh. This is the third Film and Television Institute of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The institute will provide a boost to the talented youngsters of the Northeast in film and television sector. He also laid the foundation stone for the construction of Greenfield Airport at Holongi. Office of Imphal East District Election Officer in a press release informed to all the national and state political parties functioning in Imphal East District that the first level checking of additional EVMs and VVPATs allocated to Imphal East District for the upcoming Lok Sabha election 2019 will be conducted on February 13 and 14 at the top floor of SIRD Hostel Block, Imphal East DC Complex from 9 a.m. For further queries, please contact mobile number 9863518125. MLA Nauria Pakanglakpa Soibam Subhash Chandra asserted that improving of government school will be possible only when people's representatives and officials of the education department are willing to send their children in government schools. He was speaking in the free uniforms, bags and books distribution to 313 students of Ningombam Junior and Ningombam High School today. The distribution was held under ZEO Wangoy at Ningombam Community Hall. MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra asserted that people's representatives like Pradhan, Member, Zilla Parishad, MLAs, ministers and officials of the education department should be willing to send their children to government schools for improving government schools. The MLA said under his initiative, people of Nauria Pakanglakpa constituency are trying to improve government schools in the constituency. MLA Subhash Chandra said his daughter is studying in class 11 at Mekola Gulab High School. He mentioned that enrollment at Malom Mega High School has reached 400 students for 2019 session from its pilot project of only 234 students in 2018. He said works are underway to convert the school into a model school. Officials of ZEO Wangoy, staffs and students of Ningombam Junior and High School attended the event.
Kulgi building asi hana leiramdaba fajaramdaba mayam si loina kanu building oina sengachadana committee ga inana chaliba sahi thokli singani supna tarama pansidegi koi class khara hapsile haraga pre nursery kg class humji hapsile haraga chhatra chahumga mathakta koi hoji admission tawre kul asida oni chhatra kunthra ga mari degi hena leiramdabani government school phagalanji aidana sinda lawuna di kanaro 8% su jila parishad pradhan member MLA minister director education department thabak tawiri ba khudin makje government school da loina bak tamanimi wakal pogbi ba adu soina koi honorable chief minister gi go to school laiba pandam je masi soina mai pakani.
UNESCO School Maitram and Institute of Driver Training and Research Center IDTRC Manipur jointly organized a one-day refresher training course for professional school drivers today. IDTRC Manipur Secretary Shanti Kumar Naurem, Imphal West Transport Officer TH Dinachandra, officials of UNESCO School and school drivers attended the program. Speaking on the sidelines, Transport Officer TH Dinachandra urged the school drivers to be very careful while ferrying students. He called upon drivers to be selfless and contribute in providing peaceful learning environments to students. Dinachandra reminded school drivers not to ferry more students than approved capacity, to maintain their vehicles regularly and not to abuse intoxicants on duty. The transport officer assured that the district transport office will conduct timely awareness programs for the school drivers. IDTRC Secretary Shanti Kumar Naurem gave resourceful insights on how to build strong bonds with students on the occasion.
Angang pick puriba bus adegi school vans regularly check do suppose akoi check do habit leite maram di kanoda gai thau yaw brai di check do ni ado ai gai tires gi position no mi bro ho bi starting comment to ri habigi habit che ire leite bono uba si thau yaw bra yaw da bra ma yeng dui ne akoi yengi habit ni sina accident tholak pa yabadegi khara save to ba yabra adegi niom chumna kamaina angang singsi nungaina hanba nungaina pick up to birakba school da ngang na phajana like tamuraga hala kan da masa da chok thadana haiba poti afil do ai tham tawjani muan.
One-day public discourse on RTI Act 2005 was held at the Conference Hall of Royal Academy of Law in Oinam today. Manipur Information Commission and Royal Academy of Law, Oinam jointly organized the event under National Federation of Information Commission. Experts gave resourceful insights on rights to information among students, role of Information Commission and role of media in effective implementation of RTI Act in the event. State Chief Information Commissioner T.H. Ibobi, State Information Commission Dr. S. Ibocha, Principal of Royal Academy of Law, Oinam I. Jugeshwar attended the program. Speaking as a resource person, Deputy Register of Manipur Information Commission S. Inau urged the government to make available various state and district level information in a transparent manner to public through relevant officials.
Every public authority khudingmaki administrative unit khudingmakta yamdrabada SPIO ama natragana amadagi hena loina mulaigani hariba SPIO sida akoina pamba information adu longena dakasma thagadagali SPIO nataba atopa mafam amada thaba yaba magalai maduna state assistant public information officer na mangonda sunda kasi pisan ya hariba state assistant public information officer SPIO machina sub-divisional level khudingmakta sub-district level khudingmakta amamam loina mulaigani.
Weavers Service Center celebrated upon the success of support and outreach campaign for handloom sector launched in Imphal East District on November 2 last year. The event was held at the Multipurpose Hall of Eastern Students Club in Nongwebung today. The campaign enables the service center in identifying 3,171 weavers of Imphal East for skill upgradation, loom upgradation, workshed upgradation, lighting unit loans and other social security schemes. Various marketing events were also conducted as part of the campaign, facilitating the weavers in boosting their income. MLA Kurai El Sushindro, ADC Imphal East, Shamim Ahmad Shah, Imphal East District UBI Lead Manager, Saikai Singh Sit, and Project Manager of District Handloom and Textiles, C.H. Tombi, were present on the occasion. It may be mentioned that Imphal East District was one among the 100 districts selected nationwide for the campaign.
Instruction da ngasi district level da ngasi mapangtho aduga mathang da tarik tara mathoi ga train thoge sinna Manipur gi bhaban da khoi weaver ahum khanjare weaver ahum duna mogi district sida sabat sample sindo display tawgani display tawra matung da tarik tara hum doisina mu khoi gi Dr. Ambedkar International Center Delhi da all India gi Dol India ke muk tawdana mokhoi mega event lama tawgani ariba mega event chedida khoi Manipur dagi nupi women entrepreneur ama go widoni aduga muk akhoi gi sonya raban nupi amaga ani se akhoina propose of matamna moi se award oina khandana ariba 13 February 13 jambai award logo satna nabagi damakta akhoi siam sadan lere.
SP Churachandpur Kabib K flagged off a cycle rally on the theme "No Voter to be Left Behind" in Churachandpur district today. The rally, organized by Office of District Election Officer DC Churachandpur, flagged off from Kangwai and concluded at DTC complex via Imphal Churachandpur Road. Leander Folk and Classical Academy Imphal observed its 18th Foundation Day at Production Unit Auditorium, Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Leander Folk and Classical Academy, a dance institute cum performing unit, had presented Manipuri classical and folk dance in national level at various places. The institute aims to impart Manipuri folk classical art and philosophy to the upcoming generation. Folk and cultural dance performances were the main highlights of the event. Asian Hospital and Research Institute, Kwakaitel, Imphal West, Manipur, Ima Medical Store and Manipuri Sahitya Parishad MSP, Jiribam jointly organized a urology free medical camp at Jiribam Higher Secondary School today. 120 individuals were checked up during the camp. Proscribed United National Liberation Front UNLF's Red Army Manipur People's Army MPA held its 32nd Rising Day today. The Rising Day was observed at the group's General Headquarters, UNLF Central Headquarters, Battalions, Tactical Headquarters and its units. MPA Chief of Army Staff, UNLF Political Academy Principal, General Staff Officers and MPA cadres attended the event held at MPA General Headquarters. 2-minute silence was observed as a mark of respect to late cadres of MPA on the occasion. Manipur Equestrian Association in a press release informed that 16th DG Assam Rifles Cup and 10th Junior State Equestrian Championship 2019 will be held at Imphal Polo Ground from February 11 to 16. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Agitation against CAP 2019 continues unabated. Volunteers of student bodies burn effigies of Prime Minister, Union Home Minister and Chief Minister. State Government Chief Whip P. Sarachandra asserts 60 state MLAs will never stand against public interest regarding CAP 2019. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren says unwanted criticism by uninformed people render hindrances in taking up welfare projects. Says government will not pay heed anymore. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches DD Arun Prabha channel in Itanagar. Blames previous governments of ignoring basic infrastructure for Arunachal Pradesh.